I moved from Canada to Italy because I met my husband, and at the time I was moved to Italy, and I gave up my career for love. And it's just a really hard economy over there. It's a hard market, especially for someone like I couldn't speak Italian. So I did the classic, like, what can I do from home to make money? And Forex popped up because this was like 7 years ago now. And I definitely got scammed at first. I learned the hard way. Yeah, thankfully it wasn't too bad. It was like from this company. I can't even remember what they're called, but I don't even think they're around like in North America anymore.
Thank you.
Yeah, exactly. And then I met Austin. He popped up just on Google. We chatted, and I was like, "You don't seem scammy. You seem like a real person." And so I just learned Forex 7 years ago. Took a long break to have little kiddies, and now I'm back as of a year ago, switched into futures.
Got it. Okay. Can you tell us who Austin is? I don't know if I'm familiar in the
Yeah,
Forex
he has ASFX, so he has this like coaching community, I guess you can say. And so for someone like me, who I didn't know anybody, I didn't know anything about the market, it was really what I needed, like for a beginner kind of mindset. It was really informative. And it's funny how like things have shifted from 7 years ago, and how I like blindly was like, okay, let's like give this a go. But it taught me kind of my whole foundations, which is really nice.
Sure.
Yeah.
I found it interesting that you made this big switch from Forex to futures. And I've been seeing a lot of Forex traders making that leap. And it just seems like the world of futures is very accessible from a lot of different perspectives, but also available as a futures contract. Did you start trading Forex futures as sort of the first instrument, or what did you first dive into when you got into futures?
Oh, that's a good question. I will say that I think I'm a bit of a follower. Like I feel more confident in my own kind of like strategy, my own kind of way forward. But at the time I was like, I don't know, like I had the like lifetime access to his like Discord group. And I just saw like one by one, everyone was moving over to futures. Like I said, I took a really long break. And actually when I came back, I was doing Forex